Hey friends! High-quality DisplayPort cables are vital for achieving maximum refresh rates and smoothest gaming visuals on your modern monitors. In this video, we're taking a look at the best DisplayPort cables for gaming monitors in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the HiWings DisplayPort cable. Experience the absolute pinnacle of visual clarity and speed with this powerhouse 16K cable. It supports staggering resolutions up to 16K at 60 Hz while providing a massive 80 gigabits per second bandwidth for data. This ensures your images remain ultra-sharp and motion stays incredibly fluid, which is vital for professional workloads and top-tier gaming. The internal construction features 28 AWG tin copper and triple-layer shielding, paired with 24K gold-plated connectors for a rock-solid, interference-free signal transmission. A double nylon braided jacket adds layers of durability, while the slip-resistant grip makes plugging it in a breeze. For the competitive gamer, it brings dynamic HDR, FreeSync, and G-Sync to the table for tier-free gameplay. Additionally, the inclusion of 32-bit audio creates an auditory landscape that is just as immersive as the graphics. You can rely on its broad compatibility and future-ready design to keep your high-end GPU performing at its best for years to come. Next up, our second product, the Cree 16K DisplayPort cable. If you are hunting for an ultra-high performance upgrade, this DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a serious contender for your setup. It effortlessly handles 16K at 30 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz with DSC, delivering the kind of motion smoothness that competitive players crave. By reducing motion blur and ensuring stable frame delivery, it helps you react faster in the heat of battle. The cable is built with a beefy, upgraded copper core and shielded by multiple layers to keep your signal clean and strong. Its rugged nylon braided exterior is designed to resist fraying and withstand the rigors of frequent desk adjustments. It is fully backward compatible with DP 2.0 and 1.4 standards, making it highly versatile for various hardware generations. Beyond gaming, it excels in professional editing tasks thanks to its 16-bit color depth and perfect audio-video synchronization. This cable effectively balances cutting-edge specs with long-term physical resilience for any demanding user. Coming in at number 3, the Ugreen DisplayPort cable. Ugreen has engineered this 16K DisplayPort 2.1 cable to be the ultimate backbone for next-generation gaming stations and multi-monitor rigs. It boasts an incredible resolution range, supporting everything from 16K at 60 Hz down to a blazing 540 Hz at 1080p for ultra-fast response times. The 80 gigabits per second bandwidth prevents lag and interference even when you're pushing your hardware to the absolute limit. It fully supports MST and daisy chaining, which is a massive win for streamers and professionals who need an organized multi-display environment. Advanced features like VRR and ALLM work to eliminate screen tearing in FPS and MOBA titles, giving you a distinct competitive advantage. The build quality is top-notch, featuring 28 AWG tin copper and aluminum alloy housing for sustained performance. With support for eARC and DTS 7.1, your sound system will deliver the cinematic audio quality your high-end visuals deserve. It is a future-proof, plug-and-play solution that remains reliable through even the most intense gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Capture 8K DisplayPort cable. This Visa-certified DisplayPort 1.4 cable provides the perfect intersection of professional-grade stability and high-speed gaming performance. Capable of driving 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 144 Hz, it ensures that your favorite AAA titles look sharp and play smoothly. The HBR3 technology allows for a steady 32.4 gigabits per second bandwidth, which is essential for maintaining a high-fidelity signal without any annoying flickering. It features 24K gold-plated connectors and multi-layer shielding to effectively block out unwanted signal noise during operation. Even with its heavy-duty performance, the cord remains remarkably slim and flexible, making your cable management much easier to handle. Competitive FPS players will benefit from the dynamic HDR, which brings out hidden details in the darkest corners of the map. It also includes FEC error correction and supports both mirrored and extended display modes for work productivity. This cable is a trusted and highly rated choice for anyone seeking consistent, high-quality visual output on a reliable 1.4 standard. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Ivanki DisplayPort cable. This Ivanki DisplayPort 2.1 cord is the definition of a future-proof investment for power users who refuse to compromise on quality. With its massive 80 gigabits per second bandwidth capacity, it sails through 16K at 60 Hz and handles 2K at 360 Hz with total ease. It is a dream come true for high refresh rate gaming, ensuring that your G-Sync or FreeSync monitor operates without any tearing or lag. The build is exceptionally premium, utilizing alum alloy housing and a double nylon braided jacket to ensure it lasts a lifetime. One of the best design choices is the latch-free connector, which prevents accidental port damage while still providing a secure connection. It also supports 32-bit audio and Dolby sound, ensuring your ears are as satisfied as your eyes during immersive gameplay. Backed by excellent customer service and long-term protection, this cable provides the peace of mind that your connection will stay strong. It is an ideal solution for advanced multi-monitor configurations and the most powerful GPUs currently on the market. Thanks for watching Gear and Extra. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Have any questions about the product? Drop them in the comments below, we'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for more top picks, right here on Gear and Extra. See you in the next one.